guys, ito na naman ang inyong Daddy O para sa panibagong episode ng ating vlog. And today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa One Ayala Mall dito sa Makati para i-witness ang isa na namang very significant event ng Yamaha. At ito ang Yamaha Motor Show 2025 na kung saan ito rin ang official launching ng the all-new Yamaha Aerox version 3.
Thank you. Today we're going to give the spotlight to you guys because you guys have been part of Yamaha Motor Philippines since 2010 and kayo yun, Y Club, and anniversary. So you guys are part of it because kayo yung community of riders namin that believes that riding a motorcycle is more than owning a Yamaha motorcycle. And also, this motor show is not just about showcasing a collective iteration of Yamaha. It is also a celebration of a vibrant community, which is you guys, that you bring alive to our motorcycle. So for 15 years, Yamaha Club created memories, built friendship, and that leads to unforgettable journey across the Philippines. So you guys became part of our story because you made Yamaha became part of your lives. And I am happy to announce that we are going to kick off Yamaha Club's 15th-year anniversary celebration on September 20th. So please mark your calendars and save the date because we have prepared a lot in store for you. So that is going to be our day, Yamaha Club Day. So I'll see you guys on September 20th kung saan we will let you know, but please mark your calendars on that day. Thank you so much for the 15 incredible years, Yamaha Club, and see you on our next adventure. And before ending this, I would like to end this string of praise. Lalang po ang sabi ng lahat, so sabayan niyo, okay? Yamaha Club is more than just a ride because only Yamaha.
Let's go!
Thank you so much, Y Club.
At matapos nga ang very exciting speech na yon ni Ma'am Charm, lalong-lalo na sa darating na September 20 for the Y Club anniversary. At nagkaroon nga tayo ng chance na makapagpa-picture sa mga importanteng tao dito. At syempre, palalagpasin ba nating hindi masakyan ang mga bagong version ng mga big bikes ni Yamaha. Nagkaroon din tayo ng chance na subukan ang kanilang AI picture booth. At syempre, pagkatapos ng event, saan pa ba pupunta? Eh di dito. At dahil dyan, dito na muna natin tinatapos ang vlog na to. Once again, this is your Daddy O saying, stay safe, ride safe, and God bless. See you on September 20 for the Y Club anniversary.